This thing is enormous. Everything inside needs to be restored.
Yes, it's extensive. We need to focus on the structural integrity first.
Hear that resonance difference?
Yeah. Logging this as severe pitting near the seam. Check the humidity reading.
All right, clear this section. And keep an eye on those Komodos. They're getting restless.
We'll need to stabilize this section first.
Right. The moisture damage is significant.
Okay, cut section 4, but watch the seam right there.
All right, firing it up.
Watch for falling debris on your left.
The gauge is showing significant deformation here.
The scanner confirms deep corrosion in the wing root. We have major structural integrity issues.
This area is compromised. Tighten the main cable. Hold pressure. Check the shackles. Stop hydraulics.
We have lift stabilization. Pressure steady on all lines.
Confirming structural integrity at the rear mounts. Continue control descent.
10 meters, copy that.
Bring the next plate in slowly. The sensor is showing high moisture content here. We need more supports under this seam before the transport arrives. Synchronized lift commencing. Check stability on the rear mounts. Rear mounts stable. Continue ascent.
Hurry. The starboard corrosion is worse than anticipated.
Check the cable stress on section 4. Stress looks stable, but we have new cracks near the rear.
Cable tension holding steady at 80%.
Ground stability looks good. Advise slow advance.
Roger that, moving forward now. Control to Recovery 1, confirm stabilization status over the uneven terrain.
Reading stable, Commander. Chains remain taut. Proceeding as planned.
Be careful around this bundle here, it's very brittle.
Roger that. I'll use the low pressure setting. Careful with that seam.
Got it, pulling slowly now.
This moss is thick right here.
Keep the pressure steady on the starboard side. All right, this bracket is seized. Hit it with the driver.
We need to lower the pressure here. The metal underneath is very fragile.
Okay, I see the pitting now.
Okay, move slightly to the left. Focus on that heavily rusted panel.
Got it. It's clearing up nicely, but look at that pitting corrosion underneath.
Increase pressure slowly. Maintain stability. Confirmed. Pressure increasing. Watch the fasteners on the left side.
All right, initiating the lift sequence. Watch the pressure on station 4.
Copy that. We have clean separation from the fuselage mount. Move it slowly to the right.
This corrosion goes deeper than we thought. Yeah, the dashboard completely ought to document everything before cleaning.
Look at the state of these brackets. Yeah, we need to document the corrosion on the wiring harness before we move anything else.
Still getting massive resistance on this one.
Same here. We have to keep the torque steady.
The thickness here is below tolerance.
Yes, the pitting is severe on this bracket. We need to reinforce section Charlie before proceeding.
This cavity needs reinforcement before we proceed with the wiring. Yes, the corrosion is deeper than anticipated. We should check the adjacent panels too. Keep the pressure steady on that joint. We need to avoid stressing the welds here. Alignment check complete. Apply maximum tension to the clamp. Roger that. Tension applied. Ready for welding. Check the caliper reading again. We need this flush with the lower spar.
It's exactly 1200 millimeters, boss. Perfect fit.
Applying gentle pressure now. Check the alignment on frame 72. Holding steady. The warp is almost gone.
Okay, easy now. Bring it down slow.
Clear of the structure. The new cutout looks good.
Clear. Start cleaning that seam. Surface prep is almost done. All right, welding initialized. Steady now.
Alignment is confirmed. Proceed with the weld. Keep the travel speed steady, and the heat looks good.
This housing looks correct. The tolerances are exactly as specified.
Good. We can start fitting the main shaft supports immediately.
This bracket aligns with the forward mounting block.
Check the hydraulic fitting torque sequence before we secure it.
Verify the hole positions on this panel against the schematic. Use the alignment tools.
Confirmed. The hydraulic fittings match the requirements exactly. All structural brackets are secured. The wing root support measurements are exact. Tapping indicates a successful repair. This section is cleared for the next phase.
Target torque achieved.
Verified. The alignment looks good.
Linkage movement is smooth and clear. All linkages clear in the cockpit.
Engine mounts verified.
Landing structures are green. We are ready for functional testing.
Gap measurement is within tolerance here at the wing root.
Confirmed. I'll mark that as completed. What about the starboard access panel?
Latch mechanism is secure and aligned.
Check the wiring harness routing on this side.
Okay, and the starboard navigation light goes here.
Yes, ensure the seals are fully seated before we mount it.
Steady now, it slides right in. Tabs aligned, torquing the bolts now. Check the seating. Connector locked. Wiring secured.
Front navigation lights are operational.
Confirmed. Rear units are stable.
All the gauges are immaculate.
Yes, and the wiring harnesses are labeled correctly. Let's move them to the staging trays.
Check alignment on the left side. Are the brackets clear?
Confirmed. Securing fasteners 2 and 4 now. Torque is good.
Route this bundle along the main truss. Secure the clamp right here, just past the junction.
Okay, verify circuit 16
Reading is stable.
and the nav indicators.
Responding correctly. Integration is complete. Ensure the spacing is even on the lower edge.
It's aligned.
Torque wrench set to 25, proceeding with sequence 1.
Bring the hoist down slowly. Watch the hydraulic line clearance.
Clear on this side.
Hand me the torque wrench for the upper bracket.
Check the alignment on the starboard side.
Looks good. The seal is compressing evenly now.
Make sure the alignment is perfect on this edge. Got it. Check the clearance on the harnesses before I lock it down.
Verify the insulation on the J12 connector. Looks good. Sequence matches the manifest. Does the hinge sit flush on the forward mount?
Yes, the alignment is perfect. Go ahead and secure the lower bracket.
The schematic calls for the reinforced fitting right here. Yes, that aligns perfectly with the structural section. This section is ready for primer.
Yeah, the transition looks perfect now.
Keep the overlap consistent on the starboard wing. Copy that. Moving to the access panels now. Make sure you hit the leading edge evenly there. Roger that. Blending it now.
Okay, align the edge with the marker.
Got it. Torquing now.
Check the seam tolerance on the lower bracket.
Keep the RPM steady right there. Looks good. I'll get the edges with the microfiber.
Surface consistency is flawless here. No orange peel.
Confirmed. Seams are perfectly aligned at the access cover.
Brakes applying now. Verify response on channel 3.
Affirmative. Pressure holding steady. Release brakes.
Releasing. Taxi continues.
Clear the area. Spool up engines to 50%. Telemetry stable. All systems nominal.
V-rotate. Positive rate.
Liftoff confirmed. The Beriev is flying. Well done, everyone.